Hello all! Welcome to our channel at BuzzHub Foodies. In today's video, we'll share you most effective coffee face mask. It whitens the skin and removes wrinkles on the face and neck. So let's prepare the mask. Take an egg and separate the egg white from yolk. Mix the egg whites until foam forms. Add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. You can use any kind of instant coffee. Mix well until the coffee powder gets dissolved in the egg whites. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix well until the cornstarch gets dissolved in the egg whites. Add 1 spoonful of almond oil. Mix well. Apply this mask to the clean skin of the face and neck. Remove the mask. Immediately after removing it, you will notice that your skin has become tighter. Repeat this twice a week. You will get a white skin without dark spots. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.